Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious cheese jam sandwich. First, gather your ingredients. 2 slices of your favorite bread, a type of cheese that pairs well with sweet flavors, and your preferred fruit jam. Make sure your bread is fresh, and your cheese is at room temperature for easier spreading. This simple combination creates a surprisingly delightful treat that's perfect for any time of day. Now let's assemble your sandwich. Take 1 slice of bread and spread a generous, even layer of your chosen jam across its surface. On the other slice of bread, place your cheese. You can slice it, crumble it, or spread it, depending on the type. Finally, bring the 2 slices together, pressing gently to ensure everything stays in place. To elevate your cheese jam sandwich, consider a few enhancements. Lightly toasting your bread before assembly adds a wonderful crunch and warmth. For an extra layer of flavor and texture, you might include a thin slice of apple or pear. Or, for a truly indulgent treat, grill the assembled sandwich in a pan with a little butter until the cheese is melted and gooey. Your delicious cheese jam sandwich is now ready. For a classic and appealing presentation, I recommend cutting it diagonally. This simple step makes it look even more inviting. Serve your sandwich immediately, perhaps alongside a cup of coffee, tea, or a refreshing glass of milk. It's a perfect snack or light meal. Also, for other great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.